So hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna talk about how I pick and choose trades, and I'll get you more into the way I trade. So first of all, my free Telegram group is down in the description below. Sorry, we haven't lost the trade yet, so be sure to join and check it out. And then my Instagram is down below as well, so please do follow that as well. It's like more of a meme page, and on stories I give some tips and show my trades and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically, every day when I wake up and I start looking for trades, I use the three confluences rule. So it's either exponential moving average, key level, Fibonacci, or the block or trend line. So what's the three confluence rule? So basically, if I don't have three confluences, I don't take the trade. So when I come and look at the trade, I see the market. Let's say the market is going up. Going up, it's coming down, and then it's gone up again, and then I see it going down. So I identify the trend is up, and I see we broke this structure over here. So what I'm doing, I'm looking for a buy. So how the free confluence rule work? So first of all, I can mark up my trend line. I see I have a trend line here. Then let's say I look for a exponential moving average, but we can't see here obviously, but let's say the moving average is over here. I have two confluences, and if it's not there, let's say it's not there, I look for, let's say, key level. I see a key level here, and then I have my fib tool. I put my fibbo up, and let's say I have 0.5 area. So now, as you see, I have a trend line, a key level, and a fib. So I have three confluences, and I know there is a higher probability if it all connects, the market will drop, touch the area with the most confluences, and then shoot up. So that's how I take the trade. And it can be without trend line. We basically just need three confluences. That's all you need. And the more you have, the better it's gonna be, the better the setup is going to be. So let's say we have this setup and the market starts to fall. And let's say we have an order block over here. Then let's say we have this fib. Let's move it a little bit so it makes more sense. Sorry guys, it's very hard, it's like paint. So let's say we have an order block here, and let's say we move this like this, and we have a key level here as well. So what we have now, let's say we have an order block, we have a fibbo, and we have a key level, and then let's say we have this trend line coming down, and then we have a break of a trend line and a retest as well in that area. And let's say we can't see obviously, but let's say we have EMA, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confluences in that area. So there is a even higher probability the market will go down, touch this area, and then shoot up. So that's basically how I trade. So always remember, you must have three confluences. If you have two, just don't take the trade. There is plenty of opportunities in the week, so you'll find one that suits you. So pick the best trades you can find. So let's say limit, so like in the beginnings of my trading, I used to limit myself to just one trade a day. But when I have to take one trade a day, I know that I can only find the good one, because if I find a bad one, I can't take any more trades that day. So I like scan through the market and see whatever trade has most confluences, and that's how I pick it. So yeah, always remember three confluence rule. So make a just count it on your fingers, like, or make a spreadsheet. It will be easier. So we can go over the trades we took this week, and as you see, the confluences we had, I'll show you. So we took this GJ buy. Obviously, the market was going up very fast, so I wasn't looking for any short positions as of yet. So I looked at the end, but and like nothing suited me, so I didn't take it. But when the market is going up like this, like the Monday, Thursday, and Wednesday, it's gonna go up. And then Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday is gonna go up. And then Thursday, Friday, you can look for a reversal, but in like this three first days of the week, like if it pushes this like this, just look for buys. So as you see, it was 16 p.m. in my country. I live in Dubai now. So what we had there, so I put this trend line up. Let me delete this so it's gonna be easier for you to see how I trade. So already come see this area, I can put trend line in, because I see the markets falling. So I look if I can buy in any area. I look for the order block as I have it here. As you see, like this, and I see this EMA going. So I already have 1, 2, 3 confluences in that area. It's valid for me to take the trade, but don't stop. I keep looking and see what else I have. So I put this trend line over here, and I see a break, and it's coming for a retest. So I have 2 trend lines there. And then if I put my fib from the recent low to the recent high, I see the 786 in that area as well. So for me, it's a high probability, if everything comes in one place, that it's a good position to take. So as you see, like we have an order block. So 1, EMA 2, fib 3, and 1 trend line 4, 5 confluences in that area. So yeah, it was. I think I risked 2% on this trade, because I see the markets going up already, and then I look for a setup, and I have a lot of confluences in that area. So I was like, yeah, I need to take this trade, and I risked more. And as you see, it shot up. I can't lie, I didn't catch the full move, but I think I cashed out around 155,500 area here. Yeah, that's about it. Then another trade I took was this one. So I woke up, it was around 8 a.m. I wake up at 7, plenty of time for me. Then I look what I have. So I see that we broke, the market is going up already, it's like breaking all these levels. You have this initial push, you can't take out these lows, and then we push a little bit up, create this, but move past it, breaking this short-term resistance, and then starts falling. So I see what I have there, and I see I have EMA here and here as well. I go put my fib to put my trend line there, and I see the trend line matches with the EMA, then here I put another trend line there. I see I have two trend lines in that area, which was good for me. And then I put my fib tool over here, and I see that 786 matches with the trend line, almost with the EMA. And then I look for order block, and I have one here. EMAs are very strong, guys, but you have to mix and match them with other confluences, and then if it matches, then most of the time it's gonna work. And as you see, it touched the 786 and it moved like crazy, and I took out my position around this high over here, so didn't catch the whole move as well, but was good enough for me. So, but as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confluences in that area. It's valid to take a trade, and as you see, it shot up. And there's plenty of opportunities in the market. Just find 3 trades in a week, good ones, the good risk reward ratio, and you don't need to trade. You don't need to find hundreds of trades every day. Just stick to the best ones. Okay, let's go on to this. Let's see what I had. This pair I don't trade much, but only if I see good opportunity. And on this pair in particular, how I determine the trend, even though it's not breaking that many highs. You see as here it didn't break this high, but I'll show you maybe in the future how I use interest rates to determine what is the trend in the market. So in this particular trade, I know that Swiss franc interest rate is very shit, and then GBP has a better interest rate. So it's obviously GBP against Swiss franc gonna be bullish. So I came in, I looked for a trade, and first of all place a trend line. So I placed a trend line over here, and as you see, I have this coming down to touch it. Then I look for a key level, and I see I have a key level almost in that area lining up, which gave me 2 confluences. Then if I put my fib tool up, and I'll show you one trick with the fib I do as well. I put my fib tool up, I have 1, 2, 3 confluences there. And if, let's say, I can't remember if it was this one. No, it was. So you see, I use these areas, these fib areas is 1272, 1618, and all these I use. And I'll show you the fib trick I do to gain more confluences. So I see this new low forming, and then the green candle, and then the red candle. So this short-term push, I use it as a confluence. So look, if I put my fib from this low to this new high, I see 1272 matching up with the key level and say 786 area. So like I said, guys, if everything comes in one place, something's gonna happen. So just build up your confluences, take the trade, and see how it plays out. I can't stress this enough, guys. So as you see, it fell down, touched it, and shot up like crazy. It's easy when you know how to do it, and then you don't pick shitty trades, and you pick only the best ones and the ones that have the most confluences here. And I think I took the EU as well. Yes, I took the EU trade as well. Let's see what I had here. So first of all, it was here I woke up around this candle, and then I look at the market and I see this low being taken out, and then the market starts pushing up. So I look for a sell opportunity, and I see this EMA over here. So then what I do, I look what else I can find in that area to see if that EMA is gonna be valid for me. So I said, I go on to trend line. I put my trend line up, and remember I use VIX. I don't cut bodies, so you see this is not valid for me, so I'll move it like this. I just use VIX and don't cut them and nothing. So okay, when I look at the trade now, I see that I have EMA matching up with the trend line. So I have two confluences already, and then I put my fib tool, and I see I have 786 matching with the trend line and almost with the EMA. So I have three confluences there already. And then if I look, I know that I have, let's say on the minor time frame, I have this key level as well. So just remember that on 4 hour we had and you always mix and match the time frames with the confluence. So on the bigger time frame, as you see, we had the EMA. So just remember that. And then if we go on the smaller time frame, if you put this fib up, we see we have minus 27, almost in that area as well. And then maybe if I put this fib up, yeah, I have 1618 in that area. So I have plenty of confluence in that area, and then you can take the trade, and then you manage it like you would manage an open position. So you put the trend line up, as you see, is like good area to take some profit as well, and then that's how you manage the position you're in. So yeah, that's about it. That's how I took the trades this week. That's how I take the trades in general. So always remember, free confluence rule. Use it. It will benefit you, trust me. And that's it for this video. Hopefully it explains how I make money every day. And then be sure to follow my Telegram and my Instagram. Thank you guys. Subscribe and like this channel. More videos coming. Thank you.